Hello guys, it's me Sanjay here. I warmly welcome you all for this Artificial Intelligence Masterclass series day 5. And in this today's session, we are going to be working with a project which is face detection and tracking using computer vision. And I hope you guys are super excited as like each and every day. So if you are excited, you just post I'm excited Sanjay in your live chat. So the project which is face detection, right? So before proceeding further, let us have a quick recap. So while talking about this, especially on this computer vision recap, first of all, we guys have learned to how to read an image and how to save an image and how to show an image and how to convert color image into a grayscale image and how to apply a thresholding for an image and how to do a dilation for an image and how to find the contours of an image and how to draw a rectangle on an image and how to put a text in an image. So likewise, we guys have explored lot more stuffs. All right, so in the field of especially on computer vision, right? So but today the project which is the face reduction, where you just imagine the same concepts is gonna be there. So same concepts in the sense reading a frame from the camera, and you will be knowing how to apply or how to convert the colors image into a grayscale image, and how to draw the rectangle in the frame, and how to put the text if there is face is detected, also how to put the text in the frame. So likewise, everything which you guys have already learned, that is going to be here. Additionally, the very important core part, which is the face detection, is going to be there into this project. Okay, so if you all excited, you just post I'm excited Sanjay in your live chat. So before going further, let me welcome the people present here. Chetna Raj, hi, and Riya Jaiswal, hi, Manila, hi, and Jayawan, hi, and Stitch, hi, Gayatri, hi, Manila, hi, and Chaitanya, hi, Richa, hi, ABY, Vargish, hi, and Allu, hi, Himanshi, hi, and Chinedu, hi, and Obed, hi, and Krishna Sudha, hi, and Richatri, hi. So Gayatri, hi, thank you so much guys, thank you so much, a lot of people are posting hi. Okay, so let us begin the session. So before that, as same as like there is an announcement. So attendance link will be available in between the live session. So once the session is completed, start filling up the attendance form. Until then, please don't rush up for the attendance form. So first of all, let us talk about the computer vision, this OpenCV examples. So first of all, while talking about this face detection, there are a lot of ways to detect the face. So you can either go for machine learning algorithm, or you can go for the deep learning algorithms. So or you can use some cloud services to detect the face from your face, from your whole body or in the certain frame. So likewise, there are a lot of ways. So out of that way, now we are going to choose one algorithm which has been trained by machine learning. So the algorithm is also freely available, which you can able to use it and you can able to see the project, how it is working, and it is going to be in a real time. You are going to see the output. So this is what we are going to do. So on that list, first of all, let me show you the first algorithm, which is Haar cascade frontal facial algorithm. So this Haar cascade algorithm, which is gonna be helpful for detecting lot more object. For an example, while talking about this Haar cascade, it is not only for detecting the face. For an example, this model, this Haar cascade underscore frontal face, this model specifically for detecting the face. Other than that, the other models like Haar cascade car, which is going to be helpful for detecting the car. Haar cascade body, which is going to be helpful for detecting the person. So likewise, Haar cascade, by using the single algorithm, you can do lot of classification. So based on the availability. If you really want to create your own Haar cascade file, you can able to create it, but it needs some work and you need more data to train these stuffs. So that is what it's all about. So while talking about the Haar cascade algorithm, which is gonna be helpful for doing lot of different classifications. So today we are going to do the classification for detecting the face. Okay, it's not a face classification, guys. Okay, so it is not a face recognition. So recognizing like this is Sanjay or this is Elon Musk or this is Steve Jobs or whatever. It's not like that. It is just detecting. So from the frame to locate where the face is. So that is what just we are going to do. So I hope you are ready for the project. So first of all, how it is really going to work. So that workflow which I'm gonna be sharing with you. So what is the workflow is, first of all, we are going to load the Haar cascade algorithm. So what is that model file is, because in my local directory, I have one Haar cascade frontal facial underscore default.xml. So what is this Haar cascade frontal facial underscore default.xml is, this is the trained model file. So if you really want to do the face recognition, face detection, you can simply load the model to detect the face. if you really want to detect the car, and you can simply load the Haar Cascade trained model file for the car. So especially the model file which I currently have in my local directory is for detecting the face. Okay, so if you are clear, you just post I'm clear Sanjay in a live chat. So that is what the Haar Cascade frontal facial default default dot XML file. So now, first of all, in your flow, in the flow of the project, so the first step, which is we need to load the Haar Cascade algorithm or the Haar Cascade trained model file. So I have the model file which is dot like frontal facial dot XML file, Haar Cascade frontal facial. So which is going to be helpful for detecting the face. So what is the step is? First step is you need to load the model first. That's the first step. And second step, you need to initialize the camera. So what camera you really are going to use? So that camera we need to initialize. I hope you remember the syntax. So like cv2 dot video capture of 0 or 1 or 2 or 3. So that is what the initializing the camera. And third step, reading frame from the camera. So you have already initialized the camera, but you need to read the frame from the camera. So there is already a camera which has been already initialized, where you are going to read the frame from the camera. So that is what the third step. And fourth step, we are going to convert color image into a grayscale. So now you can ask a question, Sanjay, why should I need to convert that color image into a grayscale? So let me tell you something. Whenever you are using some pre-trained model files like this XML file or .onnx file or .model, so likewise, even whatever the trained model which you are using for your project, first of all, you need to know how they guys have created the model. What type of images they guys have fed as an input for the creating that model, because the same pre-processing which is done for the images while doing a training, same thing you need to do it for the testing as well, or classification as well. Otherwise, it is not going to give you a proper result. This is just a one tips, guys. I hope you really like this. So whenever you are talking about some pre-trained model, so you are going to load, the guys have already trained it, they are going to give you a model. So if you are going to simply use the model, you need to know what type of pre-processing they guys have did for the images. Pre-processing in the sense like it is not a raw image where you might have applied some RGB to grayscale or any color different format or any size specification. So likewise, you might want to convert, or you might want to do the same pre-processing which has been done at the time of training. So that's why here as well, once the frame has been read from the camera, so we are going to convert color image into a grayscale image. So that's what the step. And then we are going to obtain the face coordinates by passing the algorithm. So once the color image has been converted into a grayscale image, so we are going to apply, or we are going to pass the algorithm into that grayscale image to detect the facial coordinates. So what are all the dots which is present in the image? So in the face, that facial coordinates which you are going to get. And once the facial coordinates is gonna be got, so then you are going to draw the rectangle or square around that face. And finally, output window will be displayed. Okay. So guys, if you are clear with the flow, you just post one fire emoji in the live chat. So first of all, you are going to load the algorithm. You are going to initialize the camera. You are going to read the frame from the camera. And we are going to convert a color image into a grayscale image, because whenever you are acquiring the frame from the camera, it is going to be color image. So we are going to convert that color image into a grayscale image. And once it has been converted, we are going to apply the algorithm onto that image to identify or to find out the facial coordinates. Once the facial coordinates has been found out, then we are going to draw the rectangle or square around the face. And finally, we are going to display it in the output window. So that is what the project. It is an easy project. I think today's session is going to be very shortest session. So that is what the project is. So how many of you people are ready for the hands-on? If you are ready for the hands-on, please post fire emojis in the live chat. So guys, I really need 188 replies in the live chat. Okay, so that is what the thing. So please try to post it in the live chat. Okay, so first of all, before going with the program, you should have this Haar Cascade file. So this Haar Cascade file can't be viewed properly, guys. Let me tell you, this is the Haar Cascade file looks like. Okay, so you can't able to understand any information from this XML file. It is just nothing but a model file. Okay, so by using this model only, this program is going to detect the face. So let us go with the project. Okay, Python 3.7. So let us go with the project. So it is gonna be very easy for you, I think, because it is very short lines of program. Within a very short line of program, you can able to deploy one project. I hope you will be feeling amazed. So first of all, we need to import the library. Import space CV2, which is nothing but OpenCV library we have imported. And then the algorithm, har cascade frontal face default.xml. So the model file which we have. So this is the .xml file, right? So har cascade frontal face _default.xml file, the XML file which we have. And then har cascade is equals to cv2.cascade classifier of algorithm. So what we are going to do is, so again guys, another very important thing. Whenever you have the trained model file in your local directory, you can't load just by simply specifying its name. You need to load with the help of some additional libraries like OpenCV. You just see here. So now, even though you have specified the local directory with that file name in the algorithm variable, that can be loaded by using the syntax called cv2.cascade classifier. This is the one of the OpenCV library syntax. So OpenCV library syntax, which is cv2.cascade classifier of this har cascade frontal face default.xml, which will load the model into this variable called har cascade. So whenever you need this model file, it can be accessed by the name of har cascade. So guys, all you are clear up to now? If you are clear up to now, you just post clear now Sanjay in your live chat. So that is what the third step. And the fourth step, we have initialized the camera. So cv2.video capture of 0, which is nothing but we usually initialize what camera we are going to use. Are you going to use second camera or first camera or third camera? So that is what we are going to do. We are going to initialize the camera. So up to now, these are the 4 lines. Importing OpenCV library, initializing the file name which is present in our local directory, and loading the pre-trained model into the variable called har cascade by using cv2.cascade classifier, and then we are going to initialize the camera. That's it. So once it has been done, now we are going to initialize while true. So while true is nothing but infinite loop. So inside the infinite loop, so we are going to read the frame from the camera. So cam.read. So we are going to read the frame from the camera and we are going to keep it in the variable called mg. These stuffs I hope you already know. And then we are going to convert that color image into a grayscale image. So converting color image into a grayscale image. So whenever you are converting it, that is going to be passed for the model. So to pass that into a model, here we are using this har cascade. So face is equals to har cascade dot detect multiscale of gray image comma 1.3 comma 4. So what is that thing is, it is going to get the coordinates where it is going to have those scaling factor. So which is going to be helpful for which is going to be helpful for deducting or to get the coordinates of the face. Okay, so that is what it's all about. So get the coordinates of the face. Okay, so to get the coordinates of the face, this is the syntax. So with the help of that, it is going to get the coordinates of the face. And for x comma y comma w comma h, I hope you all know what is that x, y and w comma h in face. Okay, so in face we are going to get that coordinates which is x, y and width and then height of that face part, and onto the face part we are going to draw the rectangle. So cv2 dot rectangle of the image where you are going to draw the rectangle, and x comma y which is the start point, and x plus w and y plus h which is the end point, and 0 comma 255 comma 0 which is nothing but the color. So and 2 which is the thickness of the rectangle. So we are going to put it and we are going to display it, and Windows is going to wait for wait for my key button. So I'm going to press escape button. So if I'm pressing escape button, so Windows will be destroyed and camera is also released. You might have think Sanjay, okay, so there is some program which is going to be hereafter, but let me tell you, these are the complete program, guys. Okay, so many of you people really amazed. So if you're really amazed, you just post amazed Sanjay in your live chat. So that is what the whole complete project. So let me run and let me show you the output. Wait a minute. You just see here. So here this face is being detected. You just see here. So you just drawn that green color square around my face. Okay, yes, I might look very messy. Okay, I'm really sorry for that. So yeah, this is what how the face has been detected. So it just drawn one square around my face. So that is what the face detection is. So whenever I'm moving here and there, it is detecting my face. So here Haven't I done any training? No. Haven't I collected any databases? No. So I haven't done anything. So if you really want to do it in a very simple way, and you should also, should not consume more computational power, this arcade is the better way. But while comparing with the deep learning, accuracy is bit poor. But other than that, the performance, yeah, so somewhat it is decent. So by using this itself, we can able to develop a project like face tracking selfie camera. So such type of project you can able to do it with the help of this source code. Okay, so even if it is completed after completing some color following robot or something, so color object following, so you can able to deploy the same project by using like some new innovative like face tracking camera. So you can put up one camera in front of in some place where it is good at the back cam or whatever. So what you can do is it will track your face by itself by putting up motor and putting up one microcontroller there. So it will track your face. That's awesome project, right? So if you really love this idea, you just post love this Sanjay in a live chat. So within very short lines of program, you can able to get this amazing output. Here we have the number of lines is going to be around 18 to 19 lines, 18 to 20 lines, right? So 18 to 20 lines, we can able to complete this whole project, which is face detection. Okay, so if you love it, you just post I love the Sanjay in a live chat. Okay, so what we guys have did, so let me repeat you the source code again. So the source code explanation. So first of all, imported OpenCV library and initializing the file name of the pre-trained model which you are going to load, and then cv2.cascade classify, we are going to load the pre-trained model file, and cv2.video capture 1, we are going to initialize the camera. So while true, which is an infinite loop, and cam.read, we are going to read the frame from the camera, and cv2.cvt color underscore image dot cv2.color underscore bgr to gray to convert color image into a grayscale image. And once the grayscale image which is going to be passed, so once it has been obtained, we are going to pass into the R cascade algorithm, so that it will give you the coordinates like x, y, and w, and then h. So once we got that x and then w and x and then y and then w and then h, we are going to draw the rectangle by using the syntax called cv2.rectangle. So inside the cv2 rectangle, this is nothing but an image, and this is the source point, and this is the destination point, and this is the color, and this is the thickness of the rectangle. So once it has been found out, it is going to be displayed in the output window. So if you are pressing only escape button, it will be terminated. You just see here still it is running. So whenever I'm just moving here and there, it is just doing a face detection. So on the upcoming days, we are going to do the face recognition, guys. Don't worry about it. But this is what the face detection looks like. So whenever you are moving, so it is also going to move. If I'm going to press escape button, windows will be destroyed. So how many of you people really think it is unexpected, Sanjay? Like within 18 lines of program, not even 18 lines, it might be around 15 to 18 lines it might be. So within that lines of program, we have completed the whole project. So if you really super love this, you just post I love this and join your live chat. Okay, and another very important announcement. So we used to provide single internship. The people who can't able to attend the live session, who really want recorded videos in your portal from your mobile phone or from your laptop, you want to access for a lifetime, and 25 plus projects and bonus tasks and then assignments and technical materials like PowerPoint presentation and mind map, any internship certificates and lifetime course validity. So likewise, if you are going to provide or if you want to register for the internship, we are providing a membership. We are providing the single course at the price of 1,499. But since some of the people have requested, so that's why we are launching this 4-in-1 combo again. So the 4-in-1 combo contains 4 courses. Number 1 is Python course, which is 10 days, which covers the basics to advanced level of Python, and machine learning, which is also 10 days. Machine learning is actually a 30 days course where it covers the very 3 important core topic of machine learning, which is supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Under the 3 methodologies, we guys have built more than 28 plus projects. And the third course, which is AI Masterclass course, which is also a 30 days course where we guys have covered the different branches of AI, which is like computer vision, Python programming, machine learning, deep learning, NLP, AI using cloud, AI using hardware, chatbot creation. So that is what it has been included in the AI Masterclass course. And finally, data analytics, which is also a 30 days course where we are providing the roadmap to become a data scientist, where it's discussing about Python, databases, like MySQL and MongoDB, and Python programming and machine learning and deep learning and Power BI and Tableau. So likewise, it covered the whole complete roadmap of data sciences. So these are the 4 courses which we are offering. So these 4 courses, you just imagine the value. So, but instead of providing at the price of 2,000 and 999, we are going to provide at the price of just rupees of 999. So this, for this 4-in-1 special bonus with the 999 rupees, I'm gonna be giving you the end date. So the first batch, which is going to end on coming Sunday, which is day after tomorrow. So the people who want to purchase this 4-in-1 internship, this is the right opportunity to get this 4-in-1 internship at just rupees of 999. So the link which is given in the live chat, you just click that link and try to complete that internship and try to register for the internship and be part of this community. And tomorrow there is going to be a live session for embedded system people, guys. So if you really don't want to miss it, so now is the right opportunity. You just simply click that link and register for the internship. So if you are registered for the internship, you just post I registered Sanjay in your live chat. And other than that, if you guys have any questions, please raise your questions in the live chat, guys. Okay, yes, today's session has become very shorter because the program is also very simple and we guys have completed it easily. So other than that, if you really need detailed explanation about the arguments, about the values which you have passed it through the arguments, so if you really want to know in detail, please register for the internship and feel the values, guys. Sunil, thank you so much for posting Super Sanjay. Okay, guys, if you guys have any questions, please raise your questions in the live chat. Okay, Venki posted I registered for the course, and Parashuram posted already did. Why it has been converted into a grayscale image again? Because some of the model, they might have used color image for training and they have created a model. And while using the same model, if you are using the grayscale image, it won't work. It won't give the proper performance. So that's why we need to be aware about what they guys have used the pre-processing for training. Same thing you need to do it for your testing, so then it will work properly. Okay, my link is given in the description below, guys. You just click the link and follow me through the LinkedIn. Okay, I've already done the internship. I want to know the logic of if key. It is nothing but it is going to return you the hexadecimal value for identifying whether the key presses escape button or not. Which Python version you are using? I'm using Python 3.7.8. Where I get Python training. You can get Python training by registering for this 4-in-1 combos course at the price of 999. Or else if you want to get Python course just at the rupees of 999 alone, so you can also get. So that's your wish. Will it work with 3.10? It might work because sometimes if you are facing an error, so again you need to switch over the version or you need to fix the error on that Python version itself. It might be 3.7. If it is already all working good, then so that's okay. But other than that, if it is not working, then again you need to shift every libraries and you need to set up those libraries and you need to get the output. Sanjay, I registered for the 4-in-1 but haven't started because my laptop has been bad. Also, I have checking in the 39 AI masterclass, but only filled attendance form yesterday. Okay. Is it possible to make face tracking robot with the help of ESP32 cam? Yes, definitely it is possible. But we need to check whether we are going to acquire the frame from the camera to this different type of device, or should I able to deploy in the STM32 itself. So we need to check that out. If I want to include that har cascade file which is given for the internship participants, other than that you can check it out in the internet. It is also available in the internet. Is there a AI masterclass today? No. Other than this, that's it. That's enough. Yeah, I think today you are talking about a hackathon. Yes, hackathon is going to be there around 7:30. Okay, guys. I hope there is no questions. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for your interaction and thank you so much for everything which you are making on the live chat. So try to be more interactive. Thank you so much once again. So if you guys haven't followed me, please follow me through the LinkedIn, my LinkedIn link, which is given in the description below. So thank you so much. It's me, Sanjay, signing off. Until then, bye. We'll see you on the like Monday session or other sessions, which is gonna be recorded live. Okay. So thank you so much, guys, and thank you, and bye.